In this video, I'll show you how to create profile shortcode with Microsoft Edge. So I'll show you step by step how to create shortcode for your profile on Microsoft Edge. First up, now open the Microsoft Edge. After you open Microsoft Edge, now click on this profile. So as you can see now I have two profiles. Here is the first one and here is the second one. So let's say now I want to create the profile for this one, for the second one. Just click on the you want to create shortcode for it. So make sure you sign into it. So now after you open the profile like this one, so next thing to do, now click on this. Here is the second profile and here is the first profile. So I want to create the shortcut for the second profile. Here is it now. So now right click on the icon of the Microsoft Edge in the text bar. So click on this pin to text bar. So now here is it now. It has been pinned into the text bar. So now if I close the Microsoft Edge, I close this one again. So as you can see now I have two Microsoft Edge profile in my text bar. Here is the first one and here is the second one. So now you can just go ahead and follow this step to create shortcode for all your profiles in Microsoft Edge browser. So now if I open this one, you open as you can see now the profile for me. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. We'll meet in the next one.